Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on CUBOT KingKong 3. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store and then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. Now select this application and click install. And now click open. And now click Got it. And click this button to skip introduction. Then click Not Now and click Open Permissions. Now click on AI Assistant and click here to allow this app to display over other apps, and then click back and click back again. Now you can click Start, and as you can see, here is your ChatGPT widget, and you can remove him from your screen by dragging him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.